Good news, Prop 19 gives you the ability to take your current tax basis with you. Now, it only applies when you sell your home and you buy another one. Remember, you need to be 55 years or older. Other provisions are if you are severely disabled or if you have been affected by a natural disaster, like a wildfire. Hey, welcome back. Glad to have you here. In this video, we are going to quickly cover the main points of Proposition 19. Proposition 19 allows you to take your current tax basis to your new property, and it can be anywhere statewide within California. So stick around. When Proposition 19 passed a few years ago, it opened up the ability for qualified sellers to move to any part of California, taking their current property tax basis to their next property that they buy. And it doesn't matter if you move up into a more expensive property or if you're into a less expensive home than the one that you're actually selling. Now, you can do this up to 3 times, and you can move anywhere in the state without losing that lower tax basis. This proposition allows you to transfer your old tax basis. And it doesn't matter if the new property is equal to or less in value than the current property. If you buy a property that's worth more than the one that you're actually selling right now, well, in that case, you're going to be able to keep your tax basis for the property you're selling. However, there is going to be a step-up basis for the difference. See, in the past, you had to buy a home that was less expensive than the one that you were selling, and you could only do this one time. Plus, there were only a handful of counties where this was allowed. Now, you have a lot more flexibility. You can move to a more expensive home, and you can repeat this process or this move up 3 times. And you can also move to anywhere in the state, all without losing your lower tax base. Great news for 55 and older folks, or those who are severely disabled, or people who have been affected by a natural disaster. Like I said before, this is just a quick overview. There's more details that I'm sure you're going to want to check into to see how your situation fits into the Prop 19 guidelines. We included a link to the state site in the description down below, along with a link to the sample transfer form. Now, if you are thinking about making a move, be sure to reach out to us. We get it. Buying, selling, and moving are all a big deal. We are all about helping you come up with a game plan beforehand. We want this process to be as simple and smooth as possible for you and your family. Feel free to now give us a call, text, or an email. Our contact info is down below as well. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.